Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Hilda. This is my second video on newspaper craft. Today I'm going to show you how to make wall hanging lamp with newspaper. We're going to make this today, one in this shape and one in this. So let's get started. For the first pattern, we will be making this shape. For this, we will be taking 2 straws. Click on the I button to see a detailed video on how to make these straws. For the second design, we'll be making this pattern. We'll be needing 36 pieces of this. I've already done so. So now I'll do the same for the above. Now to make this strong, we will apply Fevicol wash on this. So once this side is absolutely dry, then I will do the same on the other side. The glue is absolutely dry now and it's become nice and hard. This one too. Now I'm going to color this with red acrylic. Now I'm making a tea candle holder, and for that I'll be using this used cold drink can. Now this is absolutely dry, and now I'm going to highlight this with golden acrylic. The paint is absolutely dry now. So now I'm going to use this varnish to secure the paint, and then I'm going to embellish this. I have this Ganpati, so which I would like to put here. You can hang a bell from here if you wish. I don't have, but make sure that when you hang it should be not so heavy. You can mix match the patterns, and you can even make 2 diyas if you wish. So this is what I wanted to show you today. I hope you enjoyed my video. Do like, share, subscribe, and I'll come back with another newspaper craft. Till then, bye bye, take care, and I love you all.